It's time again, once again, Adventurous Ones, for another unboxing and review as we continue on with our Marvel Legends series of unboxings with Marvel's Wong from Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. Let's go! Welcome back, Adventurous Ones, for another unboxing and review. I am your host, as always, the Adventurous Joe, Joseph Michaels. And on this unboxing and review, we've got Marvel's Wong from Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness movie line, which is also a Build-A-Figure for Rintra. And as you can see, on the front, side, and the back, which basically tells you this and this, it states here, Marvel's Wong. Wong takes over for the Ancient One as Sorcerer Supreme and leader of Karmatage, teaching a new era of sorcerers to protect our reality from mystical threats. They didn't do too well when it came to Scarlet Witch attacking the place. Anyways, now let's get this guy out of the box. But first, like I said, the Rintra Build-A-Figure. Here is the Rintra's Build-A-Figure. And as you can see, just like Iron Man from our previous thing and stuff, and Moon Knight, they do not, the first figure in the wave does not come with any Build-A-Figure piece. However, Wong, America Chavez, Mordo, Spirit, Doctor Strange, and Sleepwalker, and what's his name? What? I can't read that guy's name. Something, no, I can't read that guy's name. Anyways, they are the main points to the Build-A-Figure. Anyways, let's get going now. Alright, first things first. Box, buy. Second, ooh, the cardboard is nice. Nice for a backdrop. Doing some figure photography kind of deal. Nice for that. Alright, out of here. Second, Wong comes with mystical hand for casting like a spell thing and stuff. Rintra's Build-A-Figure pieces, a sword, and an extra hand. So, let's get all of it out of the package. First, there's the Build-A-Figure pieces. And once we get all these figures for the wave and stuff, we'll be building that figure. So stay tuned for that. Spell casting. Pretty cool hands. Doctor Strange comes with the same thing and stuff like that. So when we get that figure, you'll see that. Wong's extra hand, which I believe this one's to hold the sword that he comes with. We also have this sword. Now let's see if we can get it in that hand. Yep. Yep. There you go. Now, once we get Wong out of the package here. Ah, God! He's stuck! Wong! He's like, ah, my head! And as you can see, Marvel's Wong is out of the package. And he has the whole package here, literally. He's got the ability to look up, look down, and the whole 360 turn. Yeah. He's also got the maneuverability of the waist, where he can turn side to side. Elbow joints, pretty good. Arm joints, pretty good. Wrist joints, pretty good. Excellent, excellent. He's in real good shape. Now, leg test we can't really do and stuff because of this. It's a heavy duty, molded on like plastic skirting. So we can't exactly do that kind of a testing and stuff with his legs. Let's just see if he's going to be able to stand on his own. There you go. He can stand on his own, even though he can't do anything with his legs hardly. Now, let's see how he looks when we take out this hand, put the sword hand in. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so cool. Now, let's take out this hand and give him one of the spellcaster hands. Let's see, is that it? Yep, that's the left hand. There you go. Boy, I could just get the legs to do something here. There we go. A bit on the stretch side. There we go. Marvel's Wong, people. In action. Now, how's he stand with Moon Knight? Pretty good. A little shorter to Moon Knight and stuff, but pretty good. Salma Hayek, Ajax. About even. About even. Not bad. Mr. Knight. Same deal. Iron Man. Yeah, stands about the same. Iron Man's a little taller though. And last but not least, Nova. Not bad. Not bad at all. He can stand pretty well on his own. Now, the thing is, the leg maneuverability here. Because of this heavy frickin' skirt thing, I can't get his legs to maneuver real good. So he's really top heavy. And that's not like a fat joke or something. That's literally saying, because of the molded plastic, he is literally heavy. I mean, he is heavy. If you threw this at someone and said, here, catch, smack, right in the head, this would hurt. This would literally hurt. So, let's get you back in place again. What do you think, Adventurous Ones? What do you think of this figure? Do you think he was worth the wait and stuff? Because I waited until he was $6 on Amazon and got him on Amazon Prime deal days, along with another one that was in this wave as well that I'll be reviewing next after this one. And so, if you like the video, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. I love reading your comments. I love responding to comments. You got questions about something, or if you want me to, you want to know something that I don't know, or tell me something I don't know, excuse me, leave it in the comments section. Gladly, I will answer you or talk to you, whatever you want to do. Anyways, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all of our upcoming content. We have a lot more on the way. More Marvel Legends, and we also have a secret giveaway, Masters of the Universe, for Masters of the Universe. So watch out for that review as well. And this time when I say answer the question below in the comments section, make sure you do so, okay? Otherwise you might not be able to be a part of the giveaway. Anyways, until the next unboxing, until the next review, my Adventurous Ones, Peace out. May the force be with all of you. And every last one of you have a lovely and beautiful week. And until next time, later.